Duck Soup, written by Jaggy Open. He told me adarsh There was a duck named Max who loved to cook. He made different types of soups like fish soup with curry, pickled lemon, red hot chili soup, and many more. But he did not create the recipe. Now Max is inventing his own soup by making it the best one. Slurp, slurp, sip. Smells good, but it doesn't smell right. Max started over. What is the secret ingredient that should be in my soup? That's it! Doug leaves the kitchen. His friends can't find him. They decide Doug is lost. So Max's friends look everywhere in the house and they smell something dead. We need to find out if Max's friends discovered that Max is gone. Is Doug gone? We need to find out at the Hoover Science Academy Library.